Respiratory.
Respiratory dystonia.
You mean when you are sleeping? Could you type it for me, please?
Yes, I'm going to right now.
Thank you. Now I can check the dictionary.
See it there?
Yeah. Dystonia means difficult to make the sounds, right?
Well, no, that's a respiratory. It's respiratory dystonia, meaning that it's an abnormal movement of the breathing that, where you've had this problem since all your life.
Yes.
No, so I'm wondering if this term has ever been used, or you've ever, it's ever been in reference before. Respiratory dystonia.
Respiratory means breathe, right? And dystonia means your oxygen is not enough, right?
Right. That's
Okay.
Right, that's right. Respiratory dystonia. So I'm just wondering, because the paradigm, if it's BCD or paradoxical vocal fold movement, it shouldn't occur when you are unconscious or under a general anesthesia.
Yeah.
So you could have elements of both BCD
Yeah.
and something else. So I'm putting that up there. I'm just putting that up there for your consideration, because I think that check your records, or when you finish, Google this and look up respiratory dystonia. I'm assuming your doctors have probably ruled that out or considered it. It's just something I think worth thinking about a little bit here.
Yeah, Michael, I think the doctor has been considered about that already. Yeah, because actually for the chest doctor I saw at least 4, and they did a CT scan to me. And last time Carol wrote me one article. Normally Carol wrote me different question. I should go to ask different doctor. So I think I bring the paper already to ask the doctor, do I have the respiratory dysphonia?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, and I'm wondering about one thing. Should I show you my CT scan about the chest?
No, I don't think so tonight. Let's maybe some other time. But I want to focus on the vocal folds and get you to the next exercise.
Okay.
It's going to be helpful. So you found the breathing exercises to be somewhat helpful, and that's very good. And that's
Yeah, thank you.
Too, by the way, from Saturday to today, that you're able to do that. So very good. Congratulations. Very, very nice.
And should I demonstrate it to you again to check
Yes,
it?
yes, please do.
Oh, okay. So
I do want to see that. Good. Again. Good. Very good. Very good. Great. That's excellent. Perfect.
and another turn, another pattern.
Right. That's right. So you're thinking about just letting the whole system float a little bit. Good.
Yeah, and Michael, for the first turn, I feel the muscle in this area get the release. And for the second turn, I feel the muscle in this area. Yeah, so
that must be encouraging to you then, to notice that change.
yeah, and when I use my finger to touch this part, I feel there's a cave. And why am I?
Feel what?
I feel a cave, a hole.
Cave?
Yeah,
A hole.
yeah,
You said you funnel chest?
yeah.
Okay, well that would be the chest problem that you've got there, right?
Yeah, so my movement about this part, I have to use more energy. And
That's correct.
yeah, and the exercise you teach me help me, but it's kind of tired if I have to do it every day.
Well, you know, we're doing two things here, Joe. One of them is getting your throat to react differently.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get tight. So stick with it for a while. It's a little fatiguing, but you've had this problem for quite a while, and so you made some good change over just a few days. Now, here's so what would happen then? Excuse me. If I said, go ahead and pick up a book or a newspaper and just start reading, and so you had to use your voice. Your voice would get what? Tighter and tighter as you speak.
My voice will get weak and weak, and I will feel this part get shrink, tension.
Okay.
Like this side, smaller.
Okay, I understand. So I've got two ideas that we're going to try tonight, or this morning where you are, right? It's early in the morning.
Yeah, thank you.
That's right. It's nighttime. What's the weather like, by the way, in Taipei today?
The weather now it's 19 Celsius.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
So it's a nice day, is it a sunny day?
Now it's not sunny. It's kind of cloudy. Would you want to see the sky?
A little cloudy. Yeah, I think we've got the same sky here.
Oh, okay.
We have clear sky here. That's great. Okay.
Yeah.
So the two things I want to try with you. It was a nice day here today in Maine, about 60
The temperature?
degrees. Beg pardon?
The temperature? What's the temperature?
Well, the temperature was about 65 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh.
I don't know how to convert that to Celsius.
How to do that right there? Okay.
But it's like meters and miles. I don't know how to make those metric conversions. We're a little bit behind the times here in the States on our measurement stuff. Okay, so a couple of things. Now, when you breathe in through the nose, and I still hear some of that tightness in the throat, what happens if you do a sniff through the nose? That is a quick sniff, and let me see if I can demonstrate it. Get my microphone a little bit closer here.
Okay.
So a quick sniff would be like this. So it's a quick sniff. Now, the exercise you've been doing was a slow inhale through the nose.
Yeah.
Can you do a quick sniff through the nose
No,
and then breathe?
I cannot. Let me demonstrate to you, okay?
Okay, well, try it. Let's see what happens.
Could you hear me now? Hi, Michael, could you hear me now?
Yes, I can. Yes.
I want to use the handset.
Okay.
Yeah, so please give me some voice, please.
All right, go ahead.
Could you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Because the microphone will be closer to me and you can hear better.